We made a movie using Runway's Gen-2 text-to-video AI, and the results are quite astonishing. Using it for the first time, the process was simple, but it took a bit of time to generate and get some results we were satisfied with. So basically what we did was first access ChatGPT to create a visual script for this video, and ask GPT to give us a script with visual prompts, based on these keywords: apocalyptic, shamanic, and futuristic. The maximum thought-out script was 100 seconds. GPT didn't take too long, and we got the script as needed. Then we headed over to the Runway website, where we got access to the Gen-2 text-to-video AI tool. And this is amazing, folks. I simply cannot imagine what the next years will bring us in terms of these tools. One by one, we pasted the visual prompts into Runway Gen-2 and checked out the quality and the results. As I said, make sure you are patient and take your time to choose the best results, as the AI tool will not work all the time as you wish. Once we got the results, we jumped into Adobe Premiere Pro and started editing and gluing the clips together. Apply a bit of image editing here and there, play with the contrasts and other lighting effects, and the process is pretty much done. This also takes time depending on your interest in the little details, but hey, at least we got an AI that can pop videos out of nowhere. So yeah, pretty much that's doing all the work. Next, we decided to make a little mystical song, so we appointed Ed here to take his self-crafted PVC flute and record some sounds. From here, we jump into Ableton, pop a small song, then again move into Premiere Pro. But before that, we thought of upscaling just a bit the final draft. So we headed over to Topaz AI, which is a cool upscaler that got the results we wanted. That also takes time, depending on the resolution you input. Now with the upscaled video, we headed over to Premiere Pro, where we added the song, then added an adjustment layer to add some cinematic black bars, and lastly, increase the sharpness of the video and do an overall color correction and lighting. Lastly, we just rendered the video, and this is it. Let's play the final results.